Hello everybody, this is your chef Harpal Singh Soki and I am cooking world's hottest chicken curry. I don't have a measurement for that, but I am sure about the spice level and the hotness level because the kind of chilies I am using is, I tell you, you have the guts, you try. Don't have the guts, don't try. Don't blame me for anything. I am a lover of good food and I enjoy good spicy food also. Not always though, but at times I do enjoy. I've got a variety of chilies here. I'm first going to make a paste of it. Now, the first thing is take a mixie jar and to this, these red chilies, 5 of them. Green chilies, 5 of them. Okay? And these have strong Scoville value, I must tell you. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, ginger Julienne 1-inch piece, cut into juliennes, or you can just cut roughly, add into this. I've got Bhut Jolokia, which is a chili that is found in Assam, which is the hottest chili in the world. We've got a ready-made paste of this, which is actually a proprietary sauce of Bhut Jolokia. Very, very spicy, I am going to tell you. If you touch this with your fingertip and you have it, it blows you off. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of this. This, mind you, is real spicy. Now to tone down everything, I must add some yogurt, about 3 tablespoons. Grind this entire mixture to a fine paste. Oh, I don't want to open the jar because the kind of smell, it's too hot. And now what I'm going to do is take oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. To that 1 teaspoon of cumin and let it brown. And to this add chopped onions, 2 large chopped onions, brown them. That's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. So as the onions brown, what we need to do is, there you see it's starting to get a little brown. What we need to do now is add the tomatoes. I want the caramel color to come in perfectly because that will bring in a little sweetness and balance the chili out also. So a little more. There you go, the perfect brown color now. I can smell the caramel. And now, there you go, tomatoes in it. 2 large tomatoes chopped. To this, I'm going to add salt to taste. You can always do namak, chamak, tanak. So, salt to taste. Coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon. For roughly about 800 grams of chicken. Turmeric, half teaspoon. Red chili powder, Kashmiri, 1 tablespoon. Normally what you add in a chicken curry is not more than a teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon gone in. Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon. Now, you know, there's one thing called hotness, there's one thing called spiciness. Hotness also comes from Garam Masala. If the Garam Masala is very strong, then you start sweating after eating a gravy also. So there you go, all spices in this. And I can see the heat level already gone up. Right now, I'm going to put the chicken in it. Chicken on bone. And what I can smell is the spice level already. And very soon, we all are going to sneeze out here in the kitchen. So mind you, when you do it in India, it's not a problem because everybody knows that, you know, somebody is cooking spicy food. But internationally, it's a challenge. So don't open your windows up. Keep your exhaust fan on when you cook this chicken curry. Still a lot more spices to go in, but currently I want the chicken to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, another set of chilies will go in. That's close to about 20 grams of chili. We have already put 1 tablespoon. It should be about 10 to 12 grams. 20 more grams going in. Roughly about 30 grams for about 600 to 800 grams of chicken. Oh, that makes it the world's hottest chicken curry. And now, time for the chilies to go in. Loads of chilies. Oh, you can smell the spice level in here. Of course, there's some yogurt to tone down the spice levels, but nonetheless. So the color of the chicken looks absolutely fantastic, and I'm here to taste it myself, to accept the challenge before it actually you taste it. I've got something ready, water ready in here for myself. Yes, it's hot, it's yummy, and it's tasty. I'm telling you, you cannot miss this one. I'm going to add about a cup of water actually. Allow the chicken to cook. In the meanwhile, take some fresh coriander leaves, chop it. Hotness is still in my tongue and I'm already sweating. Superb. So 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander, and finally the last 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Chilli Flakes. The chicken is absolutely ready and delicious, hot, spicy, labeled as world's hottest, spiciest chicken curry that I have made for you. It's still yummy to serve. And to serve, I'm putting my induction off. Beautiful chicken curry in here. Oh, look at it. Beautiful. To garnish, I've got cool mint in here, a bunch of it, just to get that minty flavor, the chili flavor. And look at this, 40 grams almost of chilies gone into this, which is spicy enough, and that to Bhut Jolokia, 3 tablespoons of that paste. That makes it the world's hottest chicken curry. Go ahead and try it. You're going to still love it with some steamed rice. That's for all of you who love everything spicy in their life. बस इसी तरह से बढ़िया रेसिपीज मैं आपके लिए लेके आता रहूंगा। बस जाइए मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि आपको हर बार इंस्टेंटली अपडेट्स मिले मेरे YouTube चैनल के।